It's me, Marius, and today I'm bringing you another episode of Minecraft Edition. But this time, it's gonna be Skyblock. And these are some worlds that I downloaded. Skyblock. This is episode 1 for Skyblock. So, tree right there, the chest right here. So yeah, first thing it says, let's make a cobblestone generator. So let's do that. Nah, wait. Just gonna put some back. I don't want to lose them if I ever fall. Okay, I'm not exactly sure how to make this. Nope. Yeah, I epically failed. I know it from... Damn sure. Got it. Oh. It's not... Come on. Yes! Boss. No, no, no. Okay. Let's try. Yes, it works. Okay, so that's our generator. Yeah. I am... God, this is scary. I'm going to make this platform. Okay, I can do this. Get it, get it, get it, get the wood. Yes! Thank you. Oh my God, that was scary. Okay, that's good enough for now. Oh, Jesus. Crafting table. Let's place it over there. And, sticks. Oh, I'll need more wood. Dang it. Okay. Hopefully I can do this without dying. Oh my God. This is scary. Oh, yeah. No, no, no. Yeah. Don't touch that. Yes. It's working. And a pickaxe. 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 No. What am I doing? Pickaxe. Okay, no zeppelins are falling. It's great. Thank you. Wait, I'm gonna stand right here. Nah. Okay. I gotta go, guys. This is it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and see you later.